Hey guys, so in this video we're going to see how to automate invoice data extraction using AI. So in this case we're using a tool called GetInvoice. This is a tool to automate all your pre-accounting work, being all the inbox scanning, like finding invoices from your emails, doing the same from portals, conciliating with bank statements, and also extracting data from these invoices. So we use AI to do this, and today we'll see what data and how we extract this data from the invoices. So in this case, we're using our test account. You can see here that we have multiple invoices that we have extracted already data from them. So, I delete. First I'll download this one, and then I'll delete it because GetInvoice won't allow us to upload twice the same invoice. It will automatically discard duplicated invoices. So in this case, I'm again uploading this invoice now, and you'll see that what it does is basically start processing the invoice, and when it has finished processing the invoice, it will appear here with all this data. Okay, we can see here that we have the amount, we have the created date. This is the date that's inside the invoice, but we extract a lot more data that we are not showing here. So for example, we have all these fields that we can add here to this table, which is not being displayed by default, but we are extracting it. And this is not the only data that we're extracting and not showing, because later we'll see what's the data that we are extracting. So this is the invoice that we just uploaded. You can see here the amount. You can also see the currency. In this case, we detect all currencies in the world. So you can always manually change this information if it's wrong, but the accuracy is very, very high. It's close to 100%. This is the date, as I said, that's inside the invoice. This is the due date inside the invoice also. In this case, it's the same date, but you can see that for this invoice, the date changes. This is the invoice ID. In this case, we have also a PO number, which doesn't exist in this case, but some invoices contain the PO number. We have the vendor name, we have the vendor email, we have the country of the vendor, we have its tax ID, we have the recipient name, which in this case, this is our company. So this is the recipient, and this is the attachment. Okay, so we can just download it from here. But also we have we can preview the invoice. In this case, in Safari, you can see that that it zooms out the PDF embedding very by default. But we have again the same information here and some other information that we also display, which is basically again the invoice ID, which I can edit directly from here, the amount, the currency, again dates, vendor name. In this case, we also displayed the website, and then this was detected as a subscription. So we see that the next billing date will be on July 11th. And then in this case, I have a Google Drive connected, and it has also uploaded the Google Drive folder. The invoice to Google Drive folder, you can see here. So this was extracted using AI, and we extracted all these fields for all the invoices. Okay, so also I could, for example, influence how the AI processes these invoices. I could enter here some rules, which for this case I have two rules, which is basically that for Versal invoices, I want the invoices, but the receipts should be excluded, which go into this tab instead. And you can see here that it was applied, and the same for another provider. And also I was saying before, we have the subscription thing, which basically, we see here that for the next month, for the month of July, we will have a charge from Outrank. So, we use this, we extract all this information using AI, we are using the GPT-4o model, which works very well for this particular use case. And that's it.